Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log out of your State of Survival game. To log out of State of Survival, first of all, launch open the application on your device, and when you are in the game, go ahead and look for your profile icon at the top left corner. From the expanded menus that appears at the bottom, tap on Settings. Inside Settings, click on Accounts. Now click on Bind Account option and you will see a couple of different personal accounts that you can bind with or log out from. Go ahead and look for the Unbind button. Since I'm using the Google account to sign into the game, I'm gonna have to choose the Unbind option right under the Google account. Simply tap on that and click on Yes, and this will then log you out of your game. Follow through the on-screen instructions so that you can unbind successfully. You may need to sign into the chosen account with their credentials in order to log out or unbind from the game. There is no specific logout button, so in order to log out of the account, you will need to unbind with your social accounts that you've chosen. So that's how you can easily log out of your State of Survival. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.